Hello everyone! Let's play a wild animals quiz. Are you ready? Let's go! What about this animal? Is it a tiger, monkey, or lion? It's not a tiger. It's not a monkey. Well done. It is a lion. Lion. What about this animal? Is it a panda or gorilla or bear? It's not a gorilla. It's not a bear. So it must be Panda. Panda. Now, can you name this animal? Is it a wolf, tiger, or a fox? It's not a wolf or a tiger. Yes, it is a fox. 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 Is this a zebra? Deer? Or a horse? It's not a zebra or a horse. It is a deer. Deer. Well done, deer. What about this animal? Is it a bear? Is it a monkey? Or a snake? It's not a monkey or a snake. It is a bear. Well done, bear. What about this animal? Let's have a look. Is it a gorilla? Is it a koala? Or a donkey? It's not a gorilla. It's not a donkey. It is a koala. Well done, koala. Let's have a look. Can you name this animal? Is it a snake? Or cheetah? Or iguana? It's not a snake or cheetah. It is iguana. Well done, iguana. What about this animal? Can you name this animal? Is it a tiger, elephant, or lion? It's not an elephant. It's not a lion. It is a tiger. Well done, tiger. Can you name this animal? Is it a octopus? Giraffe? Or a whale? It's not a octopus or a whale. It is a giraffe. Well done. Giraffe. Can you name this animal? Is it a lizard? A snake? Or crocodile? Oh, it's not a lizard. It's not a crocodile. It is a snake. Well done, snake. Well done, everyone. Bye-bye. And remember, keep on practicing.